Welcome to this tutorial on how to name and rename columns in Google Sheets. Naming columns is an essential step in organizing and working with data in Google Sheets. It makes your data more readable and easier to work with, especially when using formulas and functions. To start, open your Google Sheet and select the column you want to name. You can do this by clicking on the column header, which is the letter at the top of the column. Once you have selected the column, go to the Data menu and select Create a Filter or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-F. Alternatively, you can also name a column by selecting the entire column, then going to the Format tab and selecting Define Named Range. In the Named Range box, enter the name you want to give to the column. This will create a named range for the column. To rename a column, simply go to the Data menu and select Named Ranges. This will open a list of all the named ranges in your sheet. Find the column you want to rename and click on the 3 vertical dots next to it. Select Edit and enter the new name for the column. Best practices for naming columns include using descriptive names that indicate what the data in the column represents. Avoid using names that are too long or complicated. It is also a good idea to use a consistent naming convention throughout your sheet. In addition to naming individual columns, you can also name a range of columns. To do this, select the range of columns you want to name. Then go to the Format tab and select Define Named Range. Enter a name for the range and click Done. Naming columns is a simple but powerful tool in Google Sheets. It can help you work more efficiently and make your data more understandable. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of naming columns in Google Sheets.